My name is Brett Panter, and I'm the senior partner from the law firm of Panter Sampedro, and I have focused on medical negligence claims for over 35 years. I'm here today to briefly give you an understanding of what's necessary to prove a medical malpractice case. And basically, you're proving negligence. But in the medical arena, there are certain key words that must be said and then must be substantiated and proven, usually by your expert witnesses. And what I mean by that is there's something called a breach in the prevailing professional standard of care. So you must have your experts testify, either in deposition or if the case proceeds to trial, to say, I have reviewed the records, and it is my opinion, more likely than not, that this doctor breached the professional prevailing standard of care. And that standard of care is nationwide. There used to be, in the old days, community standards of care, but now it's a general standard of care recognized throughout our great country. But there's another step. Medical malpractice has other steps and other pitfalls that practitioners who don't work with this often and daily don't often understand and can lose a case because of this. And the next step is what we call causation. So after you have proved and convinced a jury that there was a breach in a standard of care, you must prove the next step, which means that that negligence caused and contributed to the harm. And the way I explain this to our clients is, yes, I'm sorry that that driver drove through the stop sign, but did that driver hurt anyone? So the answer would be maybe yes, maybe no. But if the driver drove through the stop sign, he or she committed negligence. The next question, and I use this by analogy, is did that negligence cause and contribute to someone being harmed? Same thing in the medical negligence cases. And very often, believe it or not, that causation question is more difficult to prove and more vigorously defended than the actual negligence. So that's just a little bit about proving medical negligence. There's a lot more to that I've encountered over 35 years, but I hope that gives you a glimpse of what this practice area is all about.